Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Fire HD tablet, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Amazon Fire HD tablet from the box. Locate the power adapter and USB charging cable included in the package. Connect the charging cable to the tablet and plug the power adapter into a wall outlet. Allow the battery to charge until it reaches at least 50%. Press and hold the power button on the tablet until the Amazon logo appears on the screen. Once the tablet powers on, select your preferred language from the list. Connect to a Wi-Fi network by selecting your network name and entering the password. If you do not have an existing Amazon account, tap on Create Account and follow the prompts. If you already have an account, tap on Sign In and enter your email and password. After signing in, you'll be prompted to set up your device's privacy and security settings. Adjust the settings according to your preferences and continue. You may be asked to set up parental controls if you wish to restrict content for younger users. Once configuration is complete, you'll see your tablet's home screen. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including the app icons and settings menu. Go to the Amazon App Store to download apps that you need or want. Browse or search for the apps, then tap Get or Download to install them. Consider customizing your home screen by rearranging or removing app icons. Explore the Settings menu to manage display, sound, and accessibility options. Finally, enjoy using your Amazon Fire HD tablet for browsing, reading, or watching your favorite shows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.